Hi, this is Mabualum Obi, and today I share my screen about flyer design, like this one. So you can see the outlook of this flyer design about a real estate flyer for the Halloween session, and this is very trending for right now who are actually doing real estate business or serious business. So let's make uh, the start. So let's sure the start the designing. At the beginning, I just make sure we are on the home page, and this is the initial page. All of the user you can see, and there you can search F4 so that the document of my is into F4 flyer, and this is the blank template, blank page, and there I just need to search some black background like this, and maybe this one. Okay, this. Oh, this one. Um, Put some another black bit and make your this is black and just transparent so that it can look like this. Okay. So we need some element on there. Search for cigarette smoke, like cigarette smoke like this one. And go to the graphics. Maybe this one will be great. And this one. And for the text, I just make sure we have the text, so make it a little bigger. First for Halloween type of things, like this one, because this okay. Make sure you just enlarge the square font size, so it's look like, and reduce the line spacing, and make sure you just keep some Halloween type of color. Okay. And this one's blue. Great. This one's just there, and just make sure we have another text, and make sure we have the font size like white, and make sure we just have the font like Poppins. This one, and here will be some frame, image frame, uh, and before that, just need to just have this text here and contact us with contact us with the button. Make sure this font has Halloween type of tab. It's like paper, P3, yeah, maybe This will be good. Okay. With the color. This like ribbon of like this one. Okay. Maybe I can set this white and keep this and make you you set the text here. Okay. So go to the image frame, got the blob, and maybe we can set this one here and here. Make sure this is small and here also too. Make sure these two are on the center. Yeah, center. This also on center. Make sure this have a border color and give them this type of things and go same for the other blob. And here you can set image like real house and this one here, another one like this one, this one, this one. Okay. Like a little bit apart. This one and all of the same board and give some paths goes like this. So search for bats graphics on the bats like this one. With semi smooth on here so that the bats looks better. And let's ghost like some set this on here. Yeah, so that I'm going to set the post here, like this one. And we can set who, like this one. And make sure this color is white so that it gets visibility more. Yeah, this one and just search for net. Hello, net. Sorry, spider net. Spider net like this one. And make sure like this one. And this one. So it's not scary. Then give them some color tone so that it's visibility. Then we have some pumpkin. So pumpkin, yeah, this one is good. Good looking. So it's what you have. Another pumpkin like this one. Uh, it's not like this, so that is scary. And here's some information about the registered owner. So let's show and let's get and copy paste. Okay, it's like Zoom. Uh, just give them toppings and it's look like lighter. Make sure it's left alignment. Okay. Make sure it is a little bit shorter and have the okay. Just to make sure it's not bold. Yeah, it's lighter and we'll give some space and like the middle and here the font size as I said 15. Maybe this one would be some little bit space reduce on there. Now look like this. Okay. Okay, okay, like this one too, so that this one goes on a little bit upper, and this trends to upper little bit, and here it can set this up. And I just need to set a image frame of a man, like this one, and go to the image frame. Now, pumpkin, search for image frame like this one, and set image up there and set a image like man like this one is it's great. I think we need to set some okay, okay. Wait. We just need to some okay, so that I need to set just duplicate this frame and make sure this frame is here. And also you can set the image on the middle so that it's look great. This one, yeah, and set this here. Okay, so it's look great, I think. And keep some group and center. Yeah, it's center now. And here's just the font and icon about the phone and the website. So phone icon, phone icon, and yeah, and give them some color like this one so that it's look great. This one. There we just need to add a website icon. I think this one is great. Yeah. A little bit shorter. So there. and give the color option that I set for font icon. Make sure share and control X. Can duplicate this so that we can different the font and for the website text like this one. And set the website icon and make sure it's on the that's position in the middle. Okay, that's middle. And I think this need to be same and middle and just make sure group and make sure this also group. Just two group and make sure it's all of them actually on middle. I think we need to more group. So it's on the center. Yeah, right now it's center with lights. Mm, yeah, that's fine, I think. I think it's more similar about this design. Oh, this is a ghost on there, I think, and also a logo. So I'll just use the logo here and ghost. A image frame there for the company logo. So when you have a logo, just drag and drop, then it will set the logo. Set a ghost. Like this one, then this is cute looking. So why not set this one here? Mm, this one. Okay. I think this is very similar. So if you want to this template, okay, and more template, just check the description link. Here you can see the more design about the Halloween session flyer for real estate. And you can see lots of design on there. We just try to create. So hopefully you can find good pieces on there. So for the next video, see you later. Thank you. Tata.